Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we have completed up to 67 problems. Now this is 68th. This is a level 2 problem. Two symmetrical dice are rolled if the numbers thrown up on them are different. The probability of getting an even number as the sum of the numbers. Even number as sum of the numbers. Two symmetrical dice are rolled if the numbers thrown up on them are different. The probability of getting an even number as the sum of the numbers. This is a question. Now here we need to find probability of sum of even, sum even. What are the even numbers here? Two dice are rolled means what we get even? 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 10 or 12. Some even. So there are possibilities 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. But whatever we are getting uppermost faces, those are different values. Different values. So here denominator right that shows different numbers. Different numbers. Now, the probability of getting sum 2, what are the chances? 1 comma 1, only one chance. But here see that we need different numbers, but here we are getting same numbers. This is not considered. So sum of even, that is 2. So we are getting 0 events because we need different numbers or not. Right. So first one is 0. Next, sum 4. 4, observe that 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 1. But we need different number. This is cannot be considered. How many chances are there, students? Only 2. Plus sum 4. Sum 4. 4 means 4 already completed, sorry. Sum 6. Tell me, what are the possibilities? 1 comma 5, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 5 comma 1. These are the possibilities, but 3 comma 3 cannot be taken because we need shows different numbers. How many are possible, students? Only 4. Similarly, sum 8, there are also 4 possible. Sum 10, possibilities 2. Sum 12, 0. 12 means we are getting 6 comma 6 or not, but these two numbers are same. This is not possible. Go to the denominator. Out of 6 digits, first die shows any one number, but second die cannot be shows the first number. So except first die, for suppose you got 1, in second die don't consider 1 except one remaining numbers. Remaining means what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are only 5 numbers. Now overall calculate this. 4, 4, 8 plus 2, 10, 12. 12 by 6 into 5, that is 2 by 5. So which option correct? Second option correct. 3 dice are rolled if no 2 dice shows the same face. no two dice shows the same face. That means all dice are getting different numbers. The probability that one is an ace, one is an ace. Ace means what? Ace means what? Number one. Here, ace. Ace means the face value is 1. Remember it. Okay. One of the die shows the number 1. Compulsory. Then remaining two dice we can expect other than 1. Other than 1 means what are the chances? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the chances. But here we have 3 dice. 3 dice. So 1 possible in first die. It is 1 chance. 1 chance. Now, if 1 came in second die, first and third die, we get different numbers. Yes or no? This is second chance. For suppose 1 came in a third die, remaining 2 dice are different. There are overall 3 chances. Yes or no? Overall 3 chances. Right here, required probability of an ace by what is the B, different numbers. Okay, here overall we are getting first chance, second chance, third chance. So overall 3 chances. Out of 3 chances, one of the die shows the number 1. Total there are 6. Out of 6, get only 1. Second die, except 1, there are 5 chances. 5C1 by 6C1. In third die, so here 1 we are selected. For suppose here 2. Then third die cannot be select 1 and 2. This is possible 3, 4, 5, 6. How many chances? 4 chances. 4C1 divided by 6C1. Whole divided by denominator, see that 6C1 by 6C1. Now second die is different number, 5C1 by 6C1. Next 4C1 by 6C1. Students, how I am written 3 here? The number 1 will get either first die or second die or third die. There are 3 chances. That's why I'm written 3. Okay. So calculate here. 6, 6, 6. These are cancelled. Remaining 5, 4, 5, 4 cancel. Remaining what is there? Only 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. Third option, correct. Students, all of you understood now? So here we want to select the 2 cards with replacement. The probability that second card is an ace, given that first card was a face card. So here, no need to observe the first card because with replacement given. So I am going to draw the directly second card. So total 52 cards, select one. Out of those, we need to select ace card. There are 4 ace card, 4C1 by 52C1, that is 1 by 13. This is the answer. Okay, right. I am going to another question. See, this is interesting question. 71. One ticket is selected randomly from the set of 100 tickets numbered as 00, 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, and so on up to 99. E1 and E2 denote the sum and product of the digits, the number of the selected ticket, the sum and product. See here, E1 means sum 9, sum 9. E2 means product to 0, product 0. How we know that? Here given E1 is equal to 9, E2 is equal to 0. E1 and E2 denote the sum and product of the digits of the number of the selected ticket. Now select the tickets, that is E1 event. After selecting the ticket, for suppose you are selected ticket number 23. What is sum here? 2 plus 3. This is 5, like that. Now tell me sum where it is possible. Students, 0, 9. 0 plus 9. 9 only now. Next, 1, 8, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. In these tickets, sum of the digits is what? 9. Now go to the E2. E2 be the event. The product is 0. Product when it is possible 0. Any one of the digits 0 means their product is 0. Now those numbers I am writing here 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 and so on. 0, 9. Next 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0 and so on. Finally 9, 0. See here in these tickets the product of the digits is 0 or not. Now what is intersection part, students? E1 intersection E2. See, identify that 0, 9, 0, 9. 9, 0, 9. Only these two are intersection part. So intersection part is 0, 9, 9, 0. Only these two. Now apply the conditional probability P of E1 by E2. What is the formula, students? Probability of E1 intersection E2 divided by P of E2. E1 intersection by E2 means that is 2 out of 100. P of E2. E2 event, observe that how many numbers are there? 0, 0, 2, 0, 9. There are 10. Okay. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on 9. 9. Totally 19. So 19 by 100. 100, 100 cancel. Answer is 2 by 19. Second option correct. Students, all of you understood now? 72. Observe here. A piece of equipment will function when all the three components A, B, C are working. The probability of A failing during 1 year is 0.15. That B is 0.05. That C is 0.10. The probability that equipment will fail before the end of the year. Here, all the events are given fail related condition only. So, A, B, C, these events I am taking fail, not working. A complement B complement, and C complement. These are, now don't write pass. These are good condition. Okay. Now, what they are given? P of A. How much given? P of A is equal to 0.15. P of B. P of B 0.05. P of C 0.10. Similarly, identify that P of A complement 1 minus 0.15, that is 0.85. P of B complement, how much students? 0.95. Okay. P of C complement, that is 0.90. The probability that the equipment will fail before the end of the year, before end of the year. So that means P of A intersection B intersection C, these we need to find. So this is 1 minus P of what? A intersection B intersection C, whole complement. So here A, B, C are independent events. So that's why we get 1 minus how to write, students? P of A complement. This is A union B union C. 1 second. Multiply, resolve 1 minus. After multiplication, you will get 0.72675. So calculate this, we get 0.27325 approximately. This is the answer. Finally, observe here which option correct? Second option correct. A box contains 10 mangoes. Out of 4 are rotten. Rotten means what? Damaged. That means bad. Bad means damaged. Here, so here I'm going to write 4 are damaged. 4 apples are damaged. 6 apples are good. Now, how many mangoes we want to select? 2 mangoes are taken together if one of them is found to be good. The probability that other is rotten. Out of 2 mangoes, one is good. What is the probability of the other is rotten? That means damage. That means bad. Here, there are 2 chances. For suppose we are selected 2 mangoes will come good, or one is good, one is damaged, or both are damaged. These are the cases generally. But already given condition here, what is that? One is found to be good. One is found to be good. Okay. So how to do this? N of S. Out of 10 mangoes we want to select 2. Both are good. This is one case. In second case, one is good, another one is bad. Bad meaning is damaged. Damaged. Okay. So how many good mangoes are there? There are 6. Out of 6 can be selected 2. This first case. Second case, observe that good, select 1, bad, select 1. That means 6C1, 4C1. This is N of S. But what is the favorable case? The probability that other is rotten. One is good, another one is bad. That means 6C1 into 4C1. Required probability P of E, that is equal to N of E by N of S. 6C1. So directly I am writing, students, 6C1 means 6 into 4 divided by 6C2, 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 plus 6 into 4. Calculate this. Numerator is 24, denominator 15 plus 24. So total answer is 24 by 39. 39. So 3 8s are 24, 3 13s are 39. This is the final answer. Which option correct, students? Third option.